Good day, students. So, for another topic sa ating General Physics 2, we have problem solving for our Coulomb's law. So, ano nga ulit yung Coulomb's law natin? Diba? It states that the force is inversely proportional to the square of the separation distance r between the charges and directed along the line joining them. In equation form, so yung capital letter F, that is the force, and then that is equal to the K. We have K as the Coulomb's constant. Then Q sub 1, ibig sabihin charge 1, Q sub 2, charge 2 over yung R natin. Ito yung tinutukoy ng R natin, di ba? The separation distance. Square po yan dapat. So, looking at the equation, ito po yung ibig sabihin, electrical force, and then yung Coulomb constant. Dahil constant yan, hindi nga po nagbabago. So, that is equal to 9 times 10 to the 9th power Newton meter squared per Coulomb squared. Then, we have the charge 1, charge 2. So, yung mga charges natin, by the way, pwedeng positive po, pwedeng negative. Okay? So, pwedeng parehong positive, pwedeng parehong negative, or pwede rin po na yung isa ay positive at yung isa ay negative. Then, we have the r squared. So, that is the square of the distance between the two charges. So, ito yung mga units na huwag nating kakalimutan. For our force, electrical force for this video, we have the Newton or capital letter N, small letter K, ito yung mahabang tawag dyan, di ba? Newton meter squared per Coulomb squared. Then, for our charge, kahit na anong charge 1, 1 or 2, we have the Coulomb or capital letter C. And then R, the separation distance, measured in meters or meter, small letter M. Okay, so let's try. We have a sample problem here. Paano ba isosolve kapag meron tayong mga given na ganun? For our example, syempre, hanapin natin yung F. So, nilagay muna natin dito yung ating equation, pero sana ma-memorize nyo din. So, given natin dito, number 1, charge 1 is equal to positive 4 Coulomb. Sa charges, by the way, sa signs, pwede pong may positive na nakalagay, pwede rin pong wala. Pero kapag negative, kailangan may nakalagay po talaga na negative. Charge 2 na given natin is positive 5 Coulomb, and then R. So, gaano lang po kalayo? Yung two charges na yan, 2 meters. Pero mamaya, kailangan nating ma-square. Okay, solve natin. So, kahanapin natin yung F, di ba? Sulat na natin ulit yung given. Charge 1, charge 2. So, mamaya, dahil parehong positive naman yan, pwedeng wala na pong plus sign. And then, yung given din kanina na separation distance, 2 meters. Ano pa yung isa pang given na hindi sinabi sa problem, pero dapat kasama sa given. Kasi kasama din sa formula, di ba? That is the K, or 9 times 10 to the 9th power Newton meter squared per Coulomb squared. So, lahat ng mga kailangan natin for our equation, para ma-solve natin yung F, nandito na. Sulat natin ulit yung equation. So, tuloy tayo sa solution. Kinopya pa rin po natin yung ating equation kanina para magsa-substitute na po tayo. Okay? So, ito yung substitution natin. 9 times 10 to the 9th power Newton meter squared per Coulomb squared. So, yun yung K. And then, naka-enclose po sa parenthesis yung atin pong dalawang charges, 4 coulombs times 5 coulombs. Tapos, saka natin i-divide mamaya sa 2 meters, i-square pa kasi natin yan. Okay? So, inuna po muna natin na i-multiply ang atin pong dalawang charges. Okay? So, sa mathematics, PEMDAS po muna, parenthesis, and then multiplication bago tayo mag-division mamaya. So, meron tayong 4 columns times 5 columns. Ito po lumabas. 20 columns squared. Okay? Dahil meron na tayong squared dito, column squared, tapos may column squared pa dito, ika-cancel po natin yan. Okay? So, pag kinancel natin yan, etong 20, imumultiply na po natin dito sa 9 times 10 to the 9th power, Newton meter squared. Pag minultiply po sila, eto lalabas, 1.8 times 10 to the 11th power, Newton meter squared. Tapos, meron pa tayo naiwan na 4 meter squared. So, saan galing kanina yung 4 meter squared? Ito pong 2 meters na in-square natin. Okay? So, yung 2 meters, naka-enclose sa parenthesis, is-squared yan. So, 4 meter squared. Ito rin po yun. Okay? Saka na tayo magka-cancel ngayon ng meter squared. Kasi kailangan po sa electrical force or sa ating force, Newton lang po yung matitira. Okay? So, 1.8 times 10 to the 11th power, saka po natin i-divide by 4. Sige, try nyo sa calculator ninyo and dapat po tama ang sagot natin. So, you have the final answer, force equals 4.5 times 10 to the 10th power newtons. Okay? So, balikan nyo lang po itong example para masagot nyo po yung mga problems about Coulomb's law. Okay? Thank you!